Good afternoon, guys. Here I am in the middle of absolutely nowhere. There's no one around, and I think I've found Perth's most elusive and possibly most beautiful waterfall. Now, if you do, know the Perth waterfall culture, people are quite tight-lipped on the most secret ones, and it's spent hours and hours and hours on Google Maps trying to find it, and I think I have. Here we are. Let's go explore it. As I'm walking, I can start to hear the waterfall flowing, so I think I'm on here. I can't wait to get down the bottom and see. I think I can see it through there. Really beautiful stream. Look how magical this looks. This is absolutely stunning right now. I think I found it, guys. The hours and hours on Google Maps was so worth it. This is beautiful. Look at this. This waterfall is incredible. You can just hear the roar of it. The camera definitely does not do it justice, but look at this. And I see why they call it the secret fern waterfall. So that's me done at the secret waterfall. Absolutely stunning scenery, stunning landscape. Does not feel like it's Perth at all. It feels like something you'd see in far north Queensland, Southeast Asia, stuff like that. The scenery is just beautiful. I'm so glad that I searched Google Maps for about 4 hours trying to find this place because it's awesome. Sun's going down now, so I've got to get back to the car. It's really muddy and slippery, so I want to get back before it gets too dark and get back nice and safely and show you guys how beautiful this place is. Time to start the walk up the hill. Up there. It's all muddy, so wish me luck, hope I don't slip. If you did enjoy this video, if you've been here, if you know where it is, if you want to know where it is, leave a comment. I'm not going to spoil it because part of the fun is finding it for yourself, but once you find it, it's so exhilarating, and when you start walking down the pathway, you can hear the roar of the waterfall. It's just unreal. awesome experience. I'm glad I'm part of the secret club now, and hope this inspires you guys to get out adventure and start searching for more cool stuff. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and definitely subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.